here. I don't know how well this can be shown into the camera. I have removed the enamel of the wire there. So now I'm gonna tin this. Taking care not to disrupt or destroy the nearby windings. I believe you can see it on the camera. Now this is tinned well. And now I'm going to attach a small wire there, probably the same, another piece of tinned enameled copper wire of the same diameter. I'm going to solder it there at the top. But before I do this, this will be the last part, the last thing I'm going to do. But before I do this, I'm going to tin also the ends of the auto transformer. So cut it first. And then I'm going to very carefully remove the enamel without damaging the windings. It's probably a good idea to put it onto a small surface of some kind. I have a small metal box there, here, and I'm gonna touch the copper wire I want to enamel into the hard surface and carefully remove the enamel. I will hold it with the tweezers from the other side so that it's not slipping out of my hand. Make sure when you remove the enamel, you don't remove it too close to the core. But also not too far away, so as to minimize the component leads, the final transformer leads, and to minimize any parasitic inductances, and also to make it more mechanically stable. And now I'm going to tin it again. Check it out if it has been tinned all the way around the wire, and this seems okay. So we'll do the other end now, and here it is. The transformer is almost ready, and now we will use a small piece of enameled wire, the same diameter, and I'm going to solder it in this place. I remove the enamel. All the way around the wire at its one end. Make sure you don't push the cutter too much so that you don't cut the fine wire. This is it, and now I'm going to put the core there. And try to solder it at that place. Make sure you cut it so as it is not there's no excessive wire. That's it. It just needs a gentle tap. Check out the soldering so that it is nice and smooth. I think this is okay. And now the last thing is to cut this wire as much as we want it. I should have probably done that at first place before soldering the wire, but that's okay. I'm going to remove the enamel now from this wire, the top wire. This will be more difficult to do it now. That's why I have said that it should have been better to have done it before I soldered the top. But that's okay, with a little bit of patience we can do it. Just make sure you don't destroy the